This weekend is the 15th anniversary of 9/11, where we lost over 3,000 Americans in a field in Pennsylvania, at the World Trade Center, and at the Pentagon. Hi, I'm Cynthia Lummis with this week's Cattle Call. This summer I visited a Syrian refugee camp just over the border in Jordan. Over 79,000 people live in this refugee camp, many of whom want to return to Syria when hostilities end. We should do everything we can to help those people, and we should prevent Syrian refugees from coming to the United States, where we cannot properly vet them. We need to do everything we can as Americans to help those displaced, while also ensuring that we are doing all we can to make sure another 9/11 never happens. With this week's Cattle Call, I'm Cynthia Lummis.